This video, in conjunction with the Betzera espresso coffee machine using their innovative espresso pot system, is designed to help you learn the basics of how to make great tasting coffee. Start by placing an espresso pot in the group head. Lock the group handle into the machine and place the cup directly underneath. Start the extraction process and remember that the correct extraction time is 25 seconds. And there you have it, the perfect espresso. To make the perfect Americano, place an espresso pot into the group handle and fit to the machine. With an Americano, it is important to remember that the water goes in first. Having filled the cup to approximately halfway with hot water, dispense 2 shots, a double espresso, into the water. Bear in mind that you should still see the all-important creamy top from the crema on the espresso on top of the Americano. And there you have it, the perfect Americano. A cappuccino is a coffee drink made with rich foamy milk. Our recipe for this classic Italian coffee is a single shot of espresso with equal parts of steamed milk and thick, dense, creamy sweet foam. This coffee should have some weight and not be a cup full of air. We find that Cravendale milk gives us the best result. To start, fill the foaming jug no more than 1/3 with milk. Always purge the steam wand to remove any milk or water that has built up within it. Turn your steam wand valve to the fully open position. You cannot get thick, dense foam without hard steam. Lower the jug, keeping the tip of the steam wand just under the milk surface. As the milk takes in the air, you will hear an intermittent hissing sound. Continue to slowly lower, keeping the tip of the steam wand just under the surface of the milk at all times. Continue lowering the jug until you reach 60 degrees centigrade, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and turn off the steam valve. The temperature will continue to rise to the perfect temperature of 68 degrees centigrade, 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Wipe off the steam valve with a clean cloth and then bang the bottom of the jug onto the work surface several times to remove any large bubbles. Then swirl the milk jug in a tight circle to give the milk a wet, shiny texture. Having warmed a cappuccino cup on top of the machine, the next step is to make your espresso using 1 espresso pot. Remember that 25 seconds is the optimum dispense time. Using a milk spatula, pour and scoop the thick creamy foam into the cup. If desired, add a sprinkle of chocolate on top. And there you have it, the perfect cappuccino. Cafe latte is the milky coffee drink made with 1 shot of espresso coffee, then the cup is filled with creamy sweet steamed milk and topped with foam. Having prepared the foam milk in the same way that you would for a cappuccino, prepare an espresso using 1 espresso pot and dispense into an appropriate glass or cup. Once you have the perfect espresso, simply add the foam milk and scoop a thin layer of the foam, about 5 ml, on top of the milk. You may like to dust your cafe latte with either chocolate or cinnamon, depending on your customer's preference. And there you have it, the perfect latte. If you'd like to know more, call us on 0845 130 8070. Alternatively, contact your favourite catering equipment distributor who will be glad to help.